Today I am going to explain how to determine amount of copper present in the given solution by colorimetric method. For this purpose, I have taken 3 burettes. First burette filled with copper sulfate solution whose concentration is 1 milligram per ml. Second burette is filled with distilled water. Third burette is filled with 1:1 ammonia. Take 7 test tubes. First test tube labeled as 1, second test tube labeled as 2, third test tube labeled as 3, fourth test tube labeled as 4, fifth test tube labeled as 5, sixth test tube labeled as 6, and one test tube for unknown solution. According to the tabular column, I have to prepare the solutions. Prepare 6 column table. First column serial number, second column volume of copper solution in ml, third column volume of water in ml, fourth column volume of 1:1 ammonia in ml, fifth column amount of copper in milligram, sixth column absorbance measured at 620 nanometer. Take first test tube, add 5 ml of water, 5 ml of 1:1 ammonia, which does not contain copper solution, therefore it is a blank solution. Shake it for uniform concentration. Take second test tube, add 1 ml of copper solution from the burette, 4 ml of water, 5 ml of 1:1 ammonia solution. It contains 1 milligram of copper. Shake it for uniform concentration. Take third test tube, add 2 ml of copper solution from the burette, 3 ml of water, 5 ml of 1:1 ammonia. Shake it for uniform concentration. It contains 2 milligram of copper. Take another fourth test tube, add 3 ml of copper solution from the burette, 2 ml of water, 5 ml of 1:1 ammonia. It contains 3 milligram of copper. Shake it for uniform concentration. Take fifth test tube, add 4 ml of copper solution, 1 ml of water, 5 ml of 1:1 ammonia. Shake it for uniform concentration. It contains 4 milligram of copper. Take sixth test tube, add 5 ml of copper solution from the burette, 0 ml of water, 5 ml of 1:1 ammonia. Shake it for uniform concentration. It contains 5 milligram of copper. Take unknown copper solution, add 5 ml of 1:1 ammonia, shake it for uniform concentration. All the test tubes are allowed to stand for 5 minutes. After allowing the prepared solution, you switch on the digital colorimeter. Next, you have to adjust the mode. It is showing percentage transmittance. You adjust to the absorbance mode. Next, fix the suitable slit. It is 620 nanometer filter for estimation of copper. Remove coat. You have to rinse the coat with first solution 2 to 3 times. Then you have to fill blank solution first. Then you have to remove the spilled solution. Then place the blank solution in the instrument. Then you have to turn the knob to adjust absorbance reads 00. First, you have to set the absorbance 0 for the blank solution. Then remove the blank solution. You have to rinse. Take second solution, rinse with 2 to 3 times with second solution. You have to fill the second solution to the coil. Place it in the instrument. Note down the reading. It reads 0.10. Remove the second solution from the instrument. Take third solution. Third solution. You have to rinse this with 2 to 3 times. With the third solution, you have to fill third solution to the coil. Then place in the instrument. The reading shows 0.23. 0.23. Remove the third solution. Third solution. Take fourth solution. Fourth solution. Rinse 2 to 3 times. Then place it in the instrument. Note down the reading. The reading shows 0.34. Remove the solution. Take fifth test tube. Rinse the coil with 2 to 3 times with the fifth solution. Then fill it. Then place in the instrument. Note down the reading. Reading shows 0.45. Remove the solution. Take sixth test tube. Rinse 2 times. Then fill the solution. You have to place in the instrument. The reading shows 0.59. Remove the sixth solution. You have to take unknown solution whose concentration to be determined. Rinse the unknown solution with 2 to 3 times. Fill the coil with unknown solution. Place it. Then note down the reading. The reading shows 0.29. For the first blank solution, absorbance 0. For the second solution, absorbance is 0.10. For the third solution, absorbance is 0.23. For the fourth solution, absorbance is 0.34. Fifth solution, absorbance is 0.45. Sixth solution, absorbance is 0.59. For an unknown solution, the absorbance is 0.29. After taking the reading, you have to plot the graph. Taking amount of copper on x-axis, absorbance on y-axis, and you have to give suitable scale. For this experiment, I given x-axis 1 cm is equal to 1 milligram, y-axis 1 cm is equal to 0.1. For the blank solution, absorbance is 0. For the second solution, it contains 1 milligram of copper. The absorbance is 0.10. For the third solution, it contains 2 milligram of copper. For this, absorbance is 0.23. For the fourth solution, it contains 3 milligram of copper. Absorbance is 0.34. For the fifth solution, It contains 4 milligram of copper. The absorbance is 0.45. For the sixth solution, it contains 5 milligram of copper. The absorbance is 0.59. It gives straight line and passing through the origin. We know only the absorbance. Its absorbance is 0.29. You have to extend this. It will cut the straight line at this particular point. Then you have to extend this point. It will meet x-axis on this point. This value directly gives the amount of copper present in the given solution, unknown solution.